Stihl AP system tools are a great option for professional users and people with larger gardens with trees and overgrown shrubs to maintain. The chainsaw models in the range are all powerful, have low vibration and are easy to use and control. This makes them suitable for a range of tasks, including cutting firewood, landscape maintenance, horticulture and for chainsaw work indoors or in enclosed spaces. Arborists and ground workers can also use them by the chipper to cut larger branches before processing, or even in fencing operations where the tops of the posts can easily and neatly be cut to length. The AP System chainsaw lineup has 6 models to choose from, 4 back-handle chainsaws for use on the ground and 2 top-handle models for trained arborists. We're focusing on the ground saw lineup in this video, but we'll link to the other product videos in the description below. The new MSA 160 CB features an upgraded brushless motor, giving it a higher power output than the previous version. As the entry-level model in the AP system, the MSA 160 has a 12-inch guide bar and excels at smaller tasks such as preparing firewood, cutting fence posts or pruning branches. Thanks to its compact and lightweight design, it's also excellent for use with a carving bar. The next model in the range is the new MSA 200 CB, a more powerful alternative to the MSA 160. With metal bumper spikes and a longer 14-inch bar, the MSA 200 cuts effortlessly through larger pieces of timber. Both the MSA 160 and MSA 200 use a 1/4-inch Pico chain that's low vibration, energy efficient thanks to the narrow kerf, and produces a smooth finish on the wood. For felling small trees and more demanding landscaping work, the 14-inch MSA 220 offers the next step up in power. Featuring the new 3/8P PS3 Pro chain, the MSA 220 can cut up to 20% faster than the previous 220 model, thanks to the narrower kerf design. Compared to the MSA 200, the 220 also has a higher electrical power output, a faster chain speed and a black felling line that helps to improve accuracy when making your felling cuts. All 3 of these chainsaws just mentioned have a few features in common. For example, they all have the Stihl quick chain tensioning system, meaning the chain tension can be quickly adjusted without the need for any tools. Simply lift the lever, loosen the sprocket cover and turn the thumb wheel to loosen or tighten the chain. The controls of all the new models have been improved too, with the introduction of the ergo lever, the same handle design seen on our petrol chainsaws. The soft grip rear handle always provides a comfortable grip, and the central position of the battery means the saws are well balanced and comfortable to use in a variety of positions. To operate these chainsaws, simply click in the battery, release the chain brake and pull the trigger. Don't force the saw through the cut, just let the chain do the work and remember to keep the saw chain sharp and the chain oil tank topped up. For effective sharpening, we recommend the 2-in-1 Easy File as it's easy to use. The file sharpens the cutting tooth and files down the depth gauge at the same time, so it produces a great cutting result every time. We recommend that these chainsaws are used with the AP 300S battery in order to achieve maximum cutting performance. But if you happen to have an AP 300 already, this will work with the MSA 160 and MSA 200 to get the full power out of them. If you'd like to extend the working time of any of these chainsaws, you can use any of the batteries above the recommended models. At the top of the AP System range of battery tools, we have the MSA 300. Paired with a technologically advanced AP 500S battery, the MSA 300 is the most powerful cordless chainsaw in the Stihl range, with a power output equivalent to the MS261 forestry chainsaw, allowing professional users to fell and process larger trees with ease. We've made a dedicated video for the MSA 300, which we'll link to in the description. Always read the manual before using any chainsaw and make sure you wear the correct personal protective equipment. With a chainsaw, you should be wearing cut protective trousers or chaps, gloves, chainsaw boots or wellies, face, ear and eye protection. If working in the forest or under trees, we'd recommend wearing a helmet too. To find out more, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest Stihl approved dealer.